Welcome, welcome to Mohansh Technologies. Today we will discuss about Python editors. So whenever you want to learn some programming language, so where I can able to write the program and how program can compile and then how you can able to see the output. See, whatever the programming language you are writing, first of all, you are writing with the language, right? You write syntax. You write syntax. Basically, you write syntax. You write syntax. So if you want to write the syntax, some editor needed. Okay, editor is something like a platform. After writing the syntax, that should compile or interpret whatever it may be. So compile. Program should compile or interpret. Program compile or interpret. Then it will convert to the machine code. It will convert to the machine code something like zeros and ones. So program will uh, converts to the machine code. Then program give output. For example, I just want to write a addition program, subtraction program, a multiplication program. So first of all, you need to write the syntax for the addition. You need to write a syntax for the addition. Then program will compile with the editor. Then it will convert into the machine code, automatically giving the output. So for all these things, Python have a lot of different kind of editors we will be having. So I will write down all the editors for the Python. So when you install Python, by the installation of the Python, we will be having IDLE. By the installation of the Python, we will be having the IDLE. That is like a integrated development lightweight environment. Okay. Integrated development lightweight environment. So this is available basically. When you install Python, this will come. When you install Python, integrated development lightweight environment automatically come. There I can write a program in the two modes like a bash mode and one is a I can write in a bash mode or I can write in a normal mode actually. Yeah. So there is a one ideally. When you install Python, ideally will come. And not only ideally, you can write in the Visual Studio Code, and you can write in a Atom, and you can write in a Sublime Text. You can write in a PyCharm. Okay, I will write down all the editors here, and I will show one by one all the editors also. And you can work with a Anaconda Navigator. Anaconda Navigator. Okay, you install Anaconda Navigator. With Anaconda Navigator, you will be having two kind of Anaconda Navigator is not editor. Anaconda Navigator is a basically environment. Inside this environment, you will be having two kind of editors. The one is Jupyter. The one is Jupyter, and one more is Spider. Okay, you can write in Jupyter. You can write in Spider with Anaconda Navigator. Or so all these editors basically locally you are going to be installing. See, all these are local editors. Okay, locally in the system you are installing. Okay, all these are locally you are installing. Okay, inside your computer, inside your operating system, locally you have to install. Locally install. Okay, something like on premises kind of thing. Okay, on premises. Okay, so you may ask a question, sir, without having installation, I don't want to install Python editor. Then can I write Python code? Yes, we can write Python code uh, in cloud. That is called Google Colab. Google Colab. Google Colab is basically Google Cloud Platform. Google Cloud Platform. So I will show this also. I will show this also. Google Cloud Platform also. Google Cloud Platform. Okay. So here you can able to write the Python, and this is local installation editors, but this is not local one. This is actually from the cloud. From the cloud, you can able to go with the Google Collaboratory. There you can write your Python code. So anyway, end of the day, I have to write the program. I want to get the output. If I write the addition program, I need to get the addition output. If I enter 2 plus 3, I need to get the 5. That is the agenda. So Let's meet in the next class for the different other kind of concepts. Like one by one, I will show. Ideally, VS Code, Atom, Sublime Text, PyCharm, Anaconda Navigator, Google Collaboratory. All these things I will show one by one, step by step. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel, and please provide your valuable comments for the Mohansh Technologies, Mohansh IAM trainings. Bye for now.